Welcome student to PGS Mathematics second semester third sem video classes. Today I am going to discuss homogeneous related problems. Solve x cube plus y cube of dx is equal to x squared y plus xy squared dy. Given equation is x squared y plus xy squared dy is equal to x cube plus y cube dx. Divide by x squared y plus xy squared dx. So we get x cube plus y cube divided by x squared y plus xy squared. Take y is equal to vx. dy by dx is equal to v into x derivative 1 plus x into dv by dx. Equation 1 becomes, which is homogeneous of degree 3. So equation 1 becomes, instead of dy by dx I am taking v plus dv by dx, x cube plus y cube means v cube x cube, x squared y, instead of y I am taking vx, x into y squared means v squared x squared. Here if I take x cube as common, so we get 1 plus y cube. Here also I am taking x cube as common, so v plus v squared plus v. This one transfer from LHS to RHS, plus v becomes minus v. Next, if we take v plus v squared as LCM, we get minus v squared minus v cube. Here v cube it cancels, cross multiply, x of v plus v squared dv is equal to 1 minus v squared dx. Here identifying the eliminating terms, x 1 minus v squared. So if we divide by x into 1 minus v squared, here remaining terms are v plus v squared divided by 1 minus v squared dv dx divided by x. Variables have been separated. So here if we take v as common, v of 1 plus v, 1 minus v squared can be written as 1 plus v into 1 minus v dv. Next, here 1 plus b gets cancels, v divided by 1 minus a, 1 minus b dv is equal to integral of 1 by x dx. Here v can be written as, so it is not possible to integrate as it is because this one is not in standard form. So v can be written as, here add and subtract by 1, I am taking v as it is from these two terms. If we take minus sign common, we get 1 minus of 1 minus v. So instead of v I am taking 1 minus of 1 minus v divided by 1 minus v dv, integral of 1 by x means log x. So divide by denominator, 1 divided by 1 minus v, 1 minus v divided by 1 minus v gets cancels, 1 dv is equal to log x. Here integral of 1 by 1 minus v is nothing but minus log 1 minus v. I am using this formula. 1 by 1 minus v dv can be written as minus of minus, we get like this. This one is of the form f dash by f, 0 minus 1, f dash divided by f means we get log of denominator. I am using this formula, f dash by f, so log f. So minus log 1 minus v, integral of 1 means v is equal to log x plus c. Here we know that v is nothing but y by x. I am taking here y is equal to vx. So y by x is equal to v. Instead of v I am taking y by x, here also y by x plus log. This one transfer from RHS to LHS, we get minus log x is equal to c. If we take x as LCM, we get x minus y divided by x minus y by x minus log x is equal to c. This one is of the form log m by n. So we know that log m by n can be written as log m minus log n. So log of x minus y minus log x minus y by x minus log x is equal to c. Minus log x minus y plus log x minus log x gets cancels, y by x is equal to c. That's all. Solve dy by dx is equal to y by x of log of y by x plus 1. Second one, x dy by dx is equal to y plus x cosecant squared of y by x Third one, x dy by dx plus y squared by x is equal to y. Take y by x is equal to e, imply y is equal to vx. Using product rule, differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative with respect to x is dy by dx, v into x derivative 1 plus x into v derivative with respect to x is dv by dx. So, given equation dy by dx, y by x log of y by x plus 1. So, equation 1 becomes, instead of dy by dx, I am taking v plus x dv by dx, here v log v plus 1. So, multiply here v log v, 1 into v, vb gets cancels. So, x dv is equal to v log v dx, cross multiply from LHS to RHS. So, divide by x v log v. So, x gets cancels, dv divided by v log v. Next v log v gets cancels, we get remaining term x dx by x. So, here variables have been separated. So, dv divided by v log v can be written as 1 by v log v is equal to integral of 1 by x dx, because 1 by ab can be written as 1 by a divided by b. So, this one is of the form f dash by f, because log v derivative 1 by v, this f dash, this becomes f dash divided by f is nothing but log of denominator, log of log v. I am using this formula, integral of f dash by f dx is nothing but log f. So, log of log v is equal to log x plus log c. So, this one is of the form log m plus log n. So, this can log x c. Next, equating log y by x equal to x a, y by x is equal to e power cx. Therefore, y is equal to x e power cx. Y is equal to e power cx. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Next, second question, x dy by dx is equal to y plus x cosecant squared y by x divided by x. So, y by x cosecant squared y by x. So, here we know that dy by dx is nothing but v plus x dv by dx, here v plus cosecant squared v, vb gets cancels, cross multiply, x dv is equal to cosecant squared v dx. Next, identifying the eliminating terms. So, x cosecant square v divided by product, we get dv divided by cosecant squared v is equal to dx by x. 1 by cosecant squared v can be written as sin squared v dv, integrating. So, sin squared v can be written as 1 minus cos 2v divided by 2 dv is equal to integral of 1 by x dx means log x, because it is not possible to integrate as it is. Sin squared v can be written as 1 minus cos 2v divided by 2. So, integral of here 1 means here v, cos 2v means sin 2v divided by 2 log x plus c. So, here we get 1 by 2, v means y by x. So, here we get 1 by 2 y by x, 1 by 4 sin of 2 y by x minus log x is equal to c. Here log c, this one transfer from RHS to LHS, minus log c is equal to c. Here integral of 1 dv means v, instead of v I am taking y by x, 1 by 4 2 sin of y by x minus log x is equal to c, because here y is equal to vx means y by x is equal to v. So, instead of v, y by x, here also I am taking y by x. Third question, x dy by dx plus y square by x is equal to y, divided by x, dy by dx plus y square divided by x squared is equal to y by x. Here we know that dy by dx is nothing but here v plus x dv by dx, v square v, vb gets cancels. So, multiply by dx, x dv plus v square dx. So, divide by x v square, dv divided by y square plus dx by x is equal to 0. Here variables have been separated. So, integrating 1 by v square can be written as v power minus 2 dv 1 by x dx. v power minus 2 means v power minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 by minus 1 plus log x is equal to c minus v power minus 1 can be written as 1 by v log x is equal to c. V means y by x. So we get plus log x is equal to c. Here x goes to numerator minus x divided by y plus log x is equal to c. Solve x sin of y by x minus y cos of y by x of dx x cos of y by x dy is equal to 0. Second question 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y half 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. Here x cos of y by x dx I am writing as it is. This one transfer from LHS to RHS, we get minus of x sin of y by x minus y cos of y by x dx divided by x cos of y by x dx, this one. So we get here dy by dx, I am taking x as common. So sin of y by x minus y by x cos of y by x divided by x of cos of y by x. Here x gets cancels. Take y by x is equal to v because common term is y by x, y by x, y by x. So I am taking common term as substitution. Y by x is equal to v, imply y is equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative with respect to x is dy by dx. I am using product rule, v into x derivative 1 plus x into v derivative with respect to x is dv by dx. Equation 1 becomes. So instead of dy by dx I am taking v plus x dv by dx minus sin, instead of y by x I am taking v sin v minus v cos v. Next plus v, this one transfer from LHS to RHS, plus v becomes minus v. So I am taking cos v as LCM, we get minus sin v, v cos v into minus v cos v cos v gets cancels. So here cross multiply this one x dv cos v. Next here remaining term minus sin v dx. Next divide by x sin v, divided by x sin v. So cos v divided by sin v dv minus dx by x. Here variables have been separated. So cos v by sin v can be written as cot v dv minus integral of 1 by x dx. Cot v, integral of cot v means log sin v is equal to minus log x plus log c. So this one is of the form log m minus log n. Log m minus log n can be written as log m by n. So log c by x equating. So sin of y by x is equal to c by x. Take out log, otherwise equating. So sin of y by x is equal to c by x. Cross multiply x sin of y by x is equal to c, which is the required solution of the given differential equation. Next question, given that 1 plus e power x by y of dx is equal to, here this one transfer from LHS to RHS minus e power x by y 1 minus x by y dy. Second question. Next divide by 1 plus e power x by y dy, we get dx by dy is equal to, multiply this one minus e power x by y minus into minus plus x by y e power x by y 1 plus e power x by y. Take x by y is equal to v because here common factor is x by y, here also x by y. So I am taking common factor as substitution, x by y is equal to v, imply x is equal to vy. Differentiate with respect to y, x with respect to y is dx by dy is equal to v into y derivative 1 plus y into dv by dy. Equation 1 becomes, instead of dx by dy I am taking v plus y dv by dy e power minus e power v plus v e power v divided by 1 plus e power v, because instead of x by y I am taking v. Next plus v, this one transfer from LHS to RHS, plus v becomes minus v. I am taking 1 plus e power v as LCM, we get 1 into minus v minus e power v, v into e power v plus e power v minus v power v gets cancels. So here this one cross multiply from RHS to LHS, LHS to RHS, we get y of 1 plus e power v dv. From this to term I am taking minus sign common, we get v plus e power v here dy. This one interchange, RHS to LHS, LHS to RHS, I am taking minus sign common. So, divide by y v plus e power v. Here dv eliminate y term, here dy eliminate v plus e power v. Divide this product. First identifying the eliminating terms, divide this product 1 plus e power v divided by v plus e power v dv minus dy divided by y. Variables have been separated. So, integrating. Next, this one is of the form f dash by f because v derivative 1, e power v derivative e power v. F, this one is f dash. We know that there is a formula f dash by f dx is nothing but log f, log of denominator is equal to minus log y plus log c. Here instead of c I am taking log c because all integral results in terms of c, sorry, in terms of log, so I am taking log c. This one is of the form log m minus log n. This can be written as log m by n means c by y, equating. So, x by y plus e power x by y is equal to c divided by y. Otherwise, if you multiply by y, we get y e power x by y is equal to c, which is the required solution of the differential. dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y divided by 2x plus y. Second question, dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square divided by x of x plus y. Here first question, dy by dx x plus 2y 2x plus y. Here degree of numerator is 1, here 1, 1, 1. So, which is homogeneous. If it is homogeneous, usually we are taking substitution, standard substitution, y is equal to vx. So, differentiate this one, dy by dx v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. So, equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx x plus 2vx 2x vx. So, x dv by dx, if we take common 1 plus 2v x as common. So, here also 2 plus v x dv by dx 1 plus 2v. I am taking 2 plus v as LCM, we get minus 2v minus v square, minus 2v minus v square. So, plus 2v minus 2v gets cancels, cross multiply, x of 2 plus v dv 1 minus v square dx. Next, to divide by x of 1 minus v square. So, 2 plus v 1 minus v square dv dx by x. Variables have been separated because here dv eliminate x term, dx eliminate v term. So, variables have been separated. So, integrating. Integrating 2 divided by 1 minus v square dv plus v divided by 1 minus v square dv integral of 1 by x dv. So, 2 into, here this one is of the form 1 by a square minus x square dx, formula 1 by 2a log of a plus x divided by a minus x. Here a value 1. So, here we get 1 by 2 log 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v. Next, this one is not in standard form. So, 0 minus 2v. So, that is here. So, multiply and divide by minus 2 second term, because if we take like this we get standard form 0 minus 2v. So, 2 gets cancels, log 1 plus v means y by x half log 1 minus v square log x log c. This one is of the form f dash by f dx is nothing but log f. So, here if we take x as LCM, we get x plus y divided by x minus y divided by x, it cancels, we get 1 by 2 log, instead of v I am taking y by x, y square divided by x square minus log x is equal to log c. So, this can be written as log x plus y log x minus y half into log x squared minus y squared divided by x squared minus log x is equal to log c. Here this can be written as log of x plus y log of x minus y minus half x plus y into x minus y. This one is of the form a squared minus b squared, a plus b into a minus b minus 2 log x, log m by n can be written as log m minus log n minus log x is equal to log c. So, here log of x plus y log of x plus y plus log of x minus y minus half log of x plus y plus log of x minus y minus into minus plus log x minus log x is equal to log c plus log x minus log x gets cancels, minus into minus plus. So, here we get log of x plus y minus half log of x y means half log of x plus y half log x minus y is equal to log c. So, here half of log of x plus y log of x minus y is equal to log c. So, this can be written as log of x plus y divided by x minus y whole power half is equal to log c, equating. So, x plus y divided by root of x minus y is equal to c. Therefore, x plus y is equal to c root of x minus y. So, this is the required solution of the differential equation. Next type number 4, linear differential equation. Linear differential equation means a differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x, is called linear differential equation of first order. Here I am considering dy by dx of y into integral of p dx, y into integral of p dx, apply product of first into derivative second dy dx of derivative second plus second into derivative first y into here differentiate this one e power integral of p dx into p integral of p dx dy by dx, because we know that if we differentiate any exponential function, we get integral of e power f, integral of e power f dx, we get integral of e power f dx into f. Because the reason here I am using this formula, e power f means e power f into d by dx of f. So, d by dx of integral of f dx means e power integral f dx. Next, derivative of f dx is nothing but f itself, because derivative of integral of function is equal to f itself. So, y into d by dx of e power integral of p dx means e power integral of p dx. Next, this derivative of integral of p dx is nothing but p itself, because derivative of integral of any function is equal to same function. Next, from this two term I am taking integral of e power dx common. So, we get yp plus dy by dx. So, this yp plus dy by dx is nothing but q. So, q into integral of p dx from this equation from 1. So, d by dx of p dx. So, integrating both sides with respect to x. So, here y into integral of p dx, integral of q into integral of p dx plus c. So, y into integrating factor q into integrating factor plus c, where integrating factor is equal to e power integral of p dx, where p is a function of x. Here, the second form of linear differential equation is dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are functions of y only, where p and q are functions of y only. Here, solution is we get x into integrating factor q into integrating factor dy plus c. This is the solution of second form of differential equation is x into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dy plus c. Here q is a function of y only. Here first formula is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor plus c. Here the factor e power integral of p dx is called an integrating factor, Solve linear differential equation. First question, dy by dx plus 3x squared y is equal to x to the power 5 e power x cube, dy by dx plus secant x of y is equal to tan x. First question, dy by dx plus 3x squared of y x to the power of y e power x cube. This one, comparing this with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This implies p 3x squared q x to the power of y e power x cube. This one is p, this one is q. Next, to find integrating factor, we know that integrating factor formula a power p dx. So, here p is nothing but x square dx, integrating 3 into x cube by 3. So, e power x cube. We know that integrating factor e power x cube. So, solution is y into integrating factor q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor means e power x cube x to the power of 5 e power x cube dx plus c. Y into e power x cube. So, x cube e power, add these two x cube plus x cube 2x cube x square dx plus c. Here x to the power 5 can be written as x to the power 5 can be written as x cube into x squared. Next I am take 2x cube is equal to, otherwise x cube is equal to some v. Differentiate 3x square dx is equal to dv. Therefore, x square dx is equal to dv divided by 3. So, here we get y into e power x cube. X cube is nothing but v, e power 2v, x square dx is nothing but dv divided by 3 plus c. X squared, instead of x square dx I am taking dv by 3. Y into e power x cube. So, 1 by 3 v e power 2v dv plus c. Apply parts. First into integral of second into derivative of first plus c. 1 by 6 v e power 2v, 1 by 6 e power 2v is nothing but e power 2v divided by 2 plus c. Next, y into e power x cube, 1 by 6 b is nothing but x cube e power 2x cube, 1 by 12 e power 2x cube plus c. So, here divide by, otherwise multiply by e power x cube. So, 1 by 6 x cube e power x cube, 1 by 12 e power x cube, c e power minus x cube, because e power 2 x cube minus e power minus x cube means e power x cube, that's all. So, this is the solution of the required differential equation. Equation dy by dx plus secant x of y is equal to tan x. Here p secant x cube tan x, this one is p, this one is q. So, integrating factor p dx. So, secant x dx. Integral of secant x means log secant x plus tan x. So, integrating factor is equal to secant x tan x, because we know that e power log f is nothing but f. So, solution y into integrating factor q into integrating factor dx plus e. So, y into integrating factor secant x tan x q is tan x secant x tan x dx plus c. So, here secant x tan x into y, multiply this one secant x tan x dx plus tan x into tan x tan squared x dx plus c. So, here secant x tan x means secant x. So, integral of tan squared dx, it is not possible to integrate as it is. So, here tan squared x can be written as secant squared x minus 1 dx. Instead of tan squared x, I am taking secant squared x minus 1 dx plus c. So, here secant x, integral of secant squared x means tan x, integral of 1 means x plus c. So, here secant x tan x of y, therefore, y is equal to 1 by secant x tan x of secant x tan x minus x plus c, which is the required solution of the given differential equation. Thank you for all students.